Bakit nga ba nagkaka-wrinkles at paano natin ito may improve? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan for today's video. Alam mo ba? Wrinkles ay formed because of decreased collagen production brought upon aging at mas napapalala ito kapag lagi tayong exposed sa araw. And in the market, the most common product used talaga is retinol. Pero, hindi ito hiyang sa lahat. Minsan, pag ginagamit mo ito, nagkakaroon ito ng redness, ng pamamalat at irritation sa balat. Kaya habang nag-research ako for gentler options, I found a product like Abira Wrinkle Cream. Meron siyang natural plant-based ingredients na clinically shown to help fight signs of aging. So it has the following ingredients like this one, and this one. So all in all, these ingredients help promote smoother and firmer skin with minimal to no irritation. And just like any other, best results come with consistent use. Kung gusto mo ng youthful at pang-baby na balat, or feeling baby na balat, consistent care with the right ingredients ang kailangan mo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Habang maaga pa, alagaan mo na yung sarili mo para wala kang pagsisisi sa huli.